All right, so I just wanted to show you a little bit about diffuser blends. So when fall starts coming around, I start thinking about diffusing. I don't know what it is. It's like the fresh air. We have the windows open, and I like diffusers going and making the air smell like fall, right? Um, so there's a few different ways or reasons to diffuse. One is to like clean the air. One is to change moods, and then one is to just make the house smell good. And I just wanted to talk to you today about making the house smell good. And the benefits of using essential oils for that is that you don't have all the toxins in the house that come from like those Glade plugins or burning candles or any of those things. With pure essential oils, it's just putting basically plant matter in the air. It's like when you crush a peppermint leaf or you squeeze the rind of an orange. It's that smell, right, that you're getting. It's just the aromatic compounds, which is just fancy talk for the little molecules of smell. So when I make a diffuser blend, we have a few different ways. You can get super scientific with it, but what I do personally is I pick something that's either already blended, so like Balance or our new blend, Adaptive. Those ones are already blended. So it's super easy to just use those in the diffuser. And then I always like to put a citrus in there. So a lot of times I'll do like tangerine is one of my favorites, or wild orange. And then the other thing I like is some sort of tree, usually in the fir. So black spruce being the new one is my favorite now. Douglas fir is also really good. White fir is good also. Siberian fir, you see the theme there of firs, right? So with the citruses, I go a little heavier because they seem to get in the air and spread out of the air pretty quick. So I'll do like 4 or 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the citrus. The firs, they seem to last a little bit longer, so probably like 2 or 3. Oops, that's 4. And then you can also do one of what I call like the resins. So patchouli is a resin, vetiver is a resin, sandalwood, frankincense. Think of those like thicker ones. I'm going to do vetiver. And for the sake of movie magic, we'll just pretend like some drops are coming out because vetiver takes forever to come out. So I'd probably do like 3 drops of vetiver. And then you just fill up the rest with filtered water. There's a little red dot on this one. Some of them have lines, different things like that. And then that's it. So that was vetiver, black spruce, and was it tangerine or wild orange? Wild orange. Let's see what that smells like. That smells really good. So it's really that easy. Stick with some sort of tree, some sort of resin, and a citrus, and you can't go wrong. If you don't want to go that way, then go with one of the blends. Balance is really good. Adaptive is really good. And again, these are just for making the house smell good. So if you want something more fall, go with like your cinnamons or cloves or those kind of things, and mix that with the citrus too, and that smells really good. But yeah, that's it. So this is the basics of creating a house that's toxic free. So this is wellness.